Hey everyone, welcome to our 9th grade biology trivia challenge. This quiz is packed with 15 multiple choice questions that cover some of the biggest biology topics, like cells, genetics, body systems, and more. It's a great way to review what you've learned, test your memory, or just challenge your friends to see who remembers the difference between nuclei and ribosomes. You'll have time to think after each question, and you can keep track of your score along the way. We'll also throw in a little bit of fun, biology style. Let's dive in and see how much bio knowledge you've got. Who's ready to kick it off with an easy one? Let's see how well you paid attention in class. What is the basic unit of life? Could it be A atom, B molecule, C cell, or D tissue? You have 8 seconds to answer. Think about it, the key word there is life. So, it may or may not be the smallest item in the list. Do you know it? Time's up. The answer is C cell. Did you get it right? Move along to question 2 for more of a challenge. Question 2 won't be too much of a challenge for some of you. DNA is located in which part of the cell? Is it A cytoplasm, B nucleus, C cell membrane, or D Golgi apparatus? You have 8 seconds to answer. Okay, did your teacher talk about the cell like a city or town too? Where would all the information be held? Which one is like town hall? Think hard. Time's up. The answer is B nucleus. Did you get it right? Are you ready for number 3? Time for number 3. It's a piggyback on number 2, so hopefully you're getting an A so far. What molecule carries genetic information? Is it A lipid, B protein, C DNA, or D enzyme? You have 8 seconds to answer. Now, I hope your teacher has mentioned Watson and Crick. But did they mention Rosalind Franklin? She's the real superhero when it comes to this one. Time's up. The answer is C, DNA. Did you get it? Up next, we're moving to another fun section of biology. Question 4. Who knows their kingdoms of life? Which kingdom does a mushroom belong to? Could it be A plantae, B fungi, C protista, or D animalia? You have 8 seconds to answer. Quick science joke. Why did the amoeba cross the microscope? To get to the other slide. I know, corny. Time's up. The answer is B fungi. Keep up the good work and head over to number 5. Here's a big one. What is the correct order of biological classification, from largest to smallest? Let's see if you really paid attention. Is it A kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, B kingdom, class, phylum, family, order, species, genus, C kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, or D species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom? You have 8 seconds to answer. I know I struggled with this when I first learned it. Don't forget the big hint, largest to smallest. Did you learn a mnemonic device to memorize this? Time's up. The answer is A kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. A fun way to remember it is King Pedro came over for great salsa. Up next is question 6. Okay, time for plant biology. Who loves to study plants? Question 6. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? I hope you don't need multiple choice, but here are some options. A. Roots, B. Stem, C. Leaves, or D. Flowers. You have 8 seconds on the clock. Plants are cool. Honestly, I love studying plants. When you're a plant biologist, you know that your fruit salad may include tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers. Because they're actually fruits. Time's up. The answer is C. Leaves. Leaves are so cool. What's stomata with leaves? Anyway, head over to question 7. Time for question 7. But first, it's biology joke time. Why did the biology student fail the insect test? Because he bugged out. Another good silly science joke. Now, it's really question 7. What gas do plants take in for photosynthesis? Is it A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C nitrogen, or D hydrogen? You have 8 seconds to answer. Now, if you paid attention, you should know this, and you should know it's not the most abundant gas in our atmosphere. Wild, I know. Anyways, time's up. The answer is B, carbon dioxide. Is your biology teacher proud or crying at your score right now? Okay, a brief intermission. Stretch break, whatever you want to call it. While you take a brain break, here's some fun facts. Did you know your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days so it doesn't digest itself? Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when they swim? Did you know you're more bacteria than human? Microbes outnumber your human cells? Did you know a single strand of human hair can support about 100 grams of weight? And finally, did you know bananas share about 60% of their DNA with humans? Yup, science is weird and cool and wacky. Now off to question 8 you go. Question 8 is here. Which body system is responsible for transporting oxygen? Is it A circulatory system, B respiratory system, C nervous system, or D digestive system? You have 8 seconds to answer. This one might be a little more difficult for some of you. First think about how oxygen moves around your body, what's it attached to? And then answer the question. Time's up. The answer is a circulatory system. Did you get it? Up next. I hope you know your math. It's question 9. Here's number 9. That's my soccer jersey number. Which organ is primarily responsible for filtering waste from the blood? Is it A, heart, B, liver, C, lungs, or D, kidneys? You have 8 seconds to answer. Now, each organ has a purpose and technically some you can live without if you need to, but it's better to keep them all. Which one is the best for filtering waste from the blood? Time's up. The answer is D, kidneys. Did you know that one, or did it stump you? Question 10 is all about DNA. What do we call a change in an organism's DNA? Is it A, evolution, B, mutation, C, adaptation, or D, reproduction? You have 8 seconds to answer. DNA changes are sometimes good, sometimes not so good. I mean, it's like X-Men style is super cool, but we can't all become superheroes. Time's up. The answer is B, mutation. Did you get it right? Make sure you're taking notes. Time for number 11. What is the process by which cells divide to create two identical cells? Your choices are A, meiosis, B, mitosis, C, cloning, or D, fertilization. You have 8 seconds on the clock. Now, the big hint for this one is that the two cells are identical. We're not creating different cells. So, which process is it? Time's up. The answer is B, mitosis. Did you get it right? Time for question number 12. Which scientist is known as the father of modern genetics? These are all smart men, so choose wisely. Is it A, Charles Darwin, B, Louis Pasteur, C, Gregor Mendel, or D, Albert Einstein? You have 8 seconds, think fast. This scientist was well known for his experiments with pea plants. Think about Punnett squares and the color of the peas and how tall they were. Time is up. The answer is C, Gregor Mendel. Hope that's another point for you. I hope this number brings you luck. Time for number 13. What is the main function of enzymes? Could it be A, store genetic material, B, speed up chemical reactions, C, carry oxygen, or D, provide energy? You have 8 seconds on the clock. Maybe you need an enzyme, or maybe right now you want the opposite of an enzymatic reaction? Think fast and think smart. Time's up. The answer is B, speed up chemical reactions. Only 2 questions left. Okay, number 14. Which of these is an example of asexual reproduction? Is it A, bird laying an egg, B, human fertilization, C, dog giving birth, or D, bacteria dividing? You have 8 seconds to answer. This one only has one right answer, so it should stick out to you. It really can't be all of them. Notice, there's no all of the above or none of the above options on this quiz. Time's up. The answer is D, bacteria dividing. Last question up next. Last question of our biology trivia. Number 15. I hope this is a nice way to end it, nothing too difficult. What is a food chain? Is it A, a list of animals in a habitat, B, a sequence showing energy transfer, C, a type of ecosystem, or D, a chain reaction in digestion? You have 8 seconds to answer. Think back to the awesome Miss Frizzle. Remember when the class ended up being lunch for a tuna in the ocean? The good old days of the magic school bus. Time's up. The answer is B, a sequence showing energy transfer. How'd you do? Up next I'll wrap it up. Nice work making it through all 15 questions. Whether you scored a perfect 15 or just picked up some new info along the way, this was a solid way to keep your biology brain in shape. If you're using this to study, keep going, you've got this. And if this was just for fun, we hope you learned something cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more trivia videos like this. We're creating your ultimate high school study guide covering all major subject areas from 9th to 12th grade. Up next for 9th graders is Algebra 1. You won't want to miss it. Catch you next time, and remember, science is everywhere, so stay curious.